Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a project to finish off this embellishment box. I've been on a roll doing doing these boxes and doing these Christmas projects, so you guys just be prepared because I've really am enjoying doing these little things. I think they're so cute. So we're going to be doing a project so that we could finish and then we could officially call this project done. As far as the embellishment box, I still want to do a traveler's notebook to match it, so I'll probably do that off camera. For this embellishment box was inspired by the Snow and Cocoa collection by Crepe Paper, and I'm going to do a quick flip through of the notebook. Let me move that aside just so that you guys can kind of see the colors that it has, and I try to implement those colors when I was putting the box together. So hopefully I did a good job matching up the colors. But what was I gonna say? I do plan to do a traveler's notebook, but I'm hoping that it's gonna turn out okay, because I did not realize that this was a single-sided paper, and it's the same for the 12 by 12 pad. So I'm gonna have to use two back-to-back, and I don't know how that's gonna affect. I've never done two separate pages or two separate papers, so we'll see you know, like the thickness and how it plays with my labeling machine. So that was it. I don't know why I started flipping it again. So that was the inspiration for the creation of this box, because I want this to be able to be reusable. Everything that's in here can be removed, even like my little Santa and the little tag. It's adhered by such a small amount of tape that the person will be able to reuse this if they wanted to, not only to stay with the box, but if they wanted to actually incorporate it into their projects. So everything that's in here is reusable, and by what I mean by reusable is just they're able to separate and then reuse everything. Even if they wanted to take everything out, let's say they used everything that's on the inside and they wanted to give this or reuse this box for somebody else, then they're able to do that because they could just remove the washi tape. And it's very simple. I've carried my Halloween one in my purse, and trust me, they flip, they get tossed, and the stuff doesn't come out. And it doesn't shift. And I actually had sequin on my Halloween one, and it will not fall off its space. So they're very like tight in there. So what I do is I put the washi tape all around it, obviously what I want to use, and then I flip it upside down, and then with my craft knife I just kind of carefully, patiently go all the way around, and it will cut. And this is what it will make. Okay, so let's open and look on the inside. Okay, so for the inside here, I added a little bit of these snowflakes brads that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I ended up getting a pack of puffy stickers from the collection, so I like to cut them up, and then just I had to divide them because I don't think they would have fit. I mean, it's kind of like a tight squeeze. I guess they would. Maybe add a little bit of sequin on this space. I think I'll do that. But for now, I have them all in here. This little snowman is also a puffy sticker. He did not fit anywhere else, obviously, so I ended up putting him here in the big portion. So this is like an actual, the longest space area. And for here, I added the bigger stickers. So here's puffy stickers with little banner as well. This is an actual banner, and just added that there. I ended up creating these with my Christmas. This is a stamp set by Deep Red. So I added these in here. And then of course the paper clip, and then the little snowman. I added some of these little fuzzy balls, also came with the collection. I added a little bit of ephemera cutouts. This is again from the collection. And then added a mixture of buttons, which are silver, pink, red, blue, and white. I thought this was so adorable because Susan, who's my friend and subscriber here, actually has the same color combinations, and it wasn't until I saw them I was like, oh, this makes sense. But when she was describing it on the email, I was like, those colors are crazy, but it actually, like, putting it together, look how pretty it looks. So remember for my Halloween embellishment box, I said that I had forgotten to add washi tape because a roll of washi tape will not fit in these boxes. But these little thread holders are 99 cents at Hobby Lobby, and they come with either 12 or 10 maybe. And no, it's gotta be more. No, maybe it is 10, I'm not sure. Definitely either 10 or more, you guys. And they're 99 cents. And so I just used it, wrapped the washi tape all around it, and look, perfect. Perfectly fits in there. Which is what I did with this. This is actual thread. And you know how you can make like thread behind, like an embellishment? You know what I mean? Like make a little cluster of thread and then put like the thread of, did I just confuse myself? I'm so sorry. But you know what I mean? Like grab a piece of thread, make it into like a little smooshy circles, and then put your little tag or your little decoration. I don't know. That's what I was thinking. Maybe I'm just crazy. But so I added the pink color in there for that. And then I added these little gems that are so cute. They're like pearls. They're fake pearls, of course. And these, I actually purchased a big bag from Oriental Trading Company. Oh, you guys, you get a big bag for like $3. And so I feel like if I'm gonna be putting around the same amount, one bag will probably make like 10 of these boxes. Like, it's a lot. Like, so I was really super happy. It matches the colors I thought, so just something else, a different embellishment. I've never used like pearls into the boxes, so I thought it was really cute. And then we have a few Christmassy paper clips that I thought would just be a great asset to the traveler's notebook. And then of course more stickers. So I am going to finish this box by creating a little bow, and I'm gonna show you. I'm actually gonna be doing a few, but I'm gonna only probably show you like one or two. So I'm actually using leftover felt that I've had, just little pieces. This is a soft pink, of course glittery, and then a red, which are colors that are incorporated into the collection. I am going to be using the Lawn Fawn Put a Bow on It, but this one that's stitched around is actually from Waffle Flower, but I'm not gonna be using it. I'm gonna be using the one from Lawn Fawn. So what I wanna do is grab probably the biggest one, and then there, so you get three. You get the big one, medium, and small. I might do a little small one just in case. We'll play around. I have my Big Shot machine here, so I'm going to kind of slide in there. I'm gonna be making one that will go here as just a decoration, like to make the top of the box even prettier. But then I also want to add one in here in case the person, I mean, she's gonna be able to use both, but I'm gonna make one on the inside so that she's able to have like two in case she wants to use it. I don't know. So okay, let's do the the big one in pink. And let me run it through because I gotta not get sidetracked and I gotta stick to Cholo's hair in my crafts. So that's the big one, and then let me move that aside. We're gonna end up using this one. Let me show you, and I hope that you guys could see because I know my board is kind of so I'm gonna be using the same fabric tack from Beacon. I got this at Hobby Lobby. Okay, and I am going to, this is gonna be my back, so I am going to just add a little dot of glue on the edge if my glue decides to cooperate, and I'm gonna bend it inward, and I'm gonna put another dot on the top of that. Come on. And I'm gonna bend the opposite side there. So that's our bowl. And remember, this glue gives you enough, a few minutes, so that you're able to move stuff around if it's not even where you want it. Okay, so then for this one, I'm actually going to come back with my scissors and I'm going to just follow the line of the bow, and I'm trimming off this little piece, which was, I guess, the ribbon format. Not a format, but like the ribbon wrap around. So same thing, just gonna put it down the center, put a little dot, put a dot on top of it, I hate when the bottles get to the part where it's like, can we not get enough air? Seriously. Okay, like air gets filled inside the bottle. Okay, so we're gonna press it, give it a little pressure, and then just hold for a minute. Okay, now we're going to bring this little piece of string and we're going to add it there. And for this one, I like to put, I'm actually putting it here so I could work on it, but I'm actually putting 3 dots. One there, one in the center, and then one there. Not all the way to the edge, to the side, but to it, and close enough to the actual little fishtails. Okay, so for this one, I wanted to point out that this is where we glued it, so this should be the back, but I'm actually going to cover it using this little ribbon, or it's not a ribbon, it's actually felt. I don't know if I said that earlier, but this is felt. And I'm going to just give it a little pressure, and then this is where they overlap. So now what I want to do is put 3 dots again, one there, and then one here, or just make a line from like right here to right here. I'm gonna flip it over so that I have clean lines at the front and the back of my bow. Does that make sense? And then here, because once again the glue gives me a little bit of mobility and enough time so that I could move it around if I don't like the position in which I placed it, then I can do that. And just adding a little bit of pressure. You don't have to hold it forever, and because it's already working. So now we're going to put, I don't know if you guys could see, but we're gonna put glue here. Let me see, here. Oops, let's not drop it. We're gonna put glue here, here, and here. So 3 sides, here, middle, and the top. and we're going to bring this little ribbon space there. And this is where my nails were chipping off because I was doing it like this. So pushing this top area to close with the back area so that it looks a lot cleaner. And that is the little bow that we have. Now for this, like I said, it does require you, this part is the hardest because obviously I like it a clean look, so I like the edge to close to this side of the ribbon. So just gonna hold it there for a little bit. You don't have to, trust me, it's not like you're gonna want to hold it forever. It's just give it a little bit of time, maybe 1 to 3 minutes, not even. What I was doing also to kind of help me, I have no patience, I was using a clip to help me hold it. But if you don't have a clip, let's see, it's already, you see how long? You don't even need a clip, to be honest. Look at the clean look, because it's wrapping all the way around and it connects right here, but it's not, it's clean. It's clean. So here's our little soft pink and glitter bow. Now you have two. So we are going to put this one there. Or should I put the pink one there? What do you guys think? So for this, how I'm adhering everything is I'm just using score tape. I don't even know if that's the brand though. And I'm just taking like a eensy beatsy piece of it. I'm gonna put this one somewhere. So you see how it's wrapped on my finger? Basically, I'm gonna touch it on both sides because I don't know what it is about putting it on your finger twice on both sides. It lets you stick it, but it won't be as hard next time, and the person will be able to remove it. And so then you just place it there, put a little bit of pressure. Now don't be a brute and just be like wham wham. I mean, it's still adhered, so you want to be like careful to remove it, and then you could remove that to your tag and you're still able to use it. Get it? So let me you know what, I could probably use the dots too, but I don't know, this was working for me the other day because I was testing it out to make sure that the person would be able to remove like the tag and the little thing as well. So you know what I mean? So I was testing it out and this seemed to be working, so I just roll with it, or went with it, roll with it, same thing. So we're gonna add this back in there, and then we're going to put it in there, and then we're gonna put this little one. Where shall we put him? I feel like I have too much red on that, so we'll put it there. There. Maybe here. Can you fit somewhere? It's okay if you guys, you know what? There. And that is our little completion of our little embellishment box. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys truly enjoyed. Let me know if you guys have a better solution for this glue, because I love it. It works. It like really secures the felt down. But man, it, look, my stuff's already peeling. It's weird. I guess it's just that strong. I have no idea. We're just gonna give it the benefit of the doubt. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.